Styles' reactions while signing the marriage certificate from fans in SB19 Toronto concert. First of all, ito ay katuwaan at kakiligan lamang from fans and shippers, and hindi rin bago dahil nakapag-sign ang dalawa sa pagtatag World Tour concert nila noon. Just look at their reactions na natatawa pero game na game pa din.